Hello everyone, take the front portion of the hair, make these diagonal cuts on it as such. Then moving on to the front portion, make 3 more cuts. This will add to the pixie effect of the hair. This is how it will look in the side. Next, start off by taking the front portion of the hair, twist it and then diagonally cut it as such. Once you let it go, this is how it should look like. It should frame the face more on one side. Twist the hair and then cut it according to the line that you have created. Cut it straight through it. Let it frame the face. Next, take a pair of scissors and a comb, pull the comb through it, twist the hair using the comb, and then at around the eye level or slightly below that, cut the hair. Make multiple diagonal cuts through it as such. It should give a little bit of a pyramid effect. This will add a little bit of a pixie cut to it as such. The central portion of it should be like an opposite V. Arrange the hair to make it frame the face. Now, starting off with the sides, slightly diagonally cut the hair so that it frames the face as such. Then comb the hair and then afterwards do the same on the side as well. Make very small cuts so that it is very subtle. Now comb the hair into place. Next, start off by making random cuts in the hair and then begin to take a small portion of it and then cut it diagonally upwards. Make the outermost portions longer than the inner portions. This adds volume to the hair. Begin to vertically cut the hair to add more depth and blend it in. This adds layers as well. Using the scissors, push the hair downwards from upwards as such. This adds more volume to the hair. Diagonally begin to cut the hair so that it gives a little bit of a pixie cut to it. Finally, this is what it should look like. Clip aside the top. Next, start off by taking the central portion of the hair. Taking the centermost portion, which is a very small section, cut it at the level of the chin. Taking the sides, cut it at the base of the neck. Do the same on both the sides and make sure that they are even. Now take the longer portion of the hair and once more cut it to make it slightly shorter. Let it frame the face well. Thank you for watching.